Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get sea lanterns in islands. Sea lanterns are a fantastic light source and a beautiful decorative block for your island. To craft them, you'll need to gather two key ingredients: prismarine shards and prismarine crystals. These valuable materials are found by venturing into the deep ocean and facing its unique inhabitants. Once you have enough, a crafting table will help you combine them into your very own sea lantern. To begin, you'll need to gather prismarine shards. These are primarily obtained by defeating guardians, which are hostile aquatic mobs. You can find guardians in the deep ocean biome, so prepare for a journey. Craft a sturdy boat or be ready for a long swim to reach their habitat. Once there, engage the guardians and collect the shards they drop upon defeat. You'll need several for your crafting recipe. Next, you'll need prismarine crystals, which are also dropped by guardians. While you'll get shards more frequently, crystals are a bit rarer, so you might need to defeat several guardians. Remember, guardians are hostile, so ensure you have adequate weapons and armor to handle their attacks. Persistence is key here. Keep defeating them until you have enough crystals for your crafting needs. Finally, with your 4 prismarine shards and 5 prismarine crystals in hand, head to any crafting table. Open the crafting interface and arrange the materials in the correct pattern. Once placed correctly, your sea lantern will appear in the output slot. Congratulations! You now have a powerful and beautiful light source to illuminate your island or enhance your builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.